Hello ladies and gentlemen, on today's video we'll be diving straight into the discourse of the day, and there is something specific about this channel that I would love you to know, and that is the fact is always the truth. What we deal on is dispensing the fact, and the fact remains the truth and nothing but the truth. And also, you know that the truth is sometimes bitter. So while you dwell on this words I just said right now, let's talk about this critical issue at hand, which is the termed poorly constructed Ochanja Road in Onitsha, Anambra State, Nigeria. Okay, you see, most times rushing into conclusion in some critical issues are very, very dangerous. So that is why I've lied low, and I've watched several videos. I've watched several people's opinions and thoughts and recommendations and a lot of it. And I just wanted to state the fact the way it is. Okay, there is nothing like the road was poorly constructed. Calm down, I'm coming. Okay, don't let me land before you start bombarding me now. You see, what I want you to understand is that I will not in any way condemn the contractors, neither will I in any way condemn the state government, which is the Anambra state government, or neither will I in any way condemn those who do businesses on that Ochanja Road. Yes, those who own shops along the Ochanja Road areas, and those who even live around those areas. I'm not here to condemn anybody, but I'm here to tell you guys my own opinion and what I think is the fact. And I stand also to be corrected if the case may maybe in any way the case may be. So if you look at the whole situation critically, you would understand that saying that the road is poorly constructed is just antagonism. Because what I came to understand that transpired there was, okay, you did an asphalting today, and mind you, asphalt is not cement that within 3 hours it would 4 hours it would be solid, or it would just firm up. Asphalt is not 4 minutes gone. Asphalt is not super glue. Asphalt takes time. That is why whenever a road is being asphalted, all those bulldozers and all those their machines normally go on top of that asphalt so that it would have form, so that it will be strong a bit, so that when it starts getting dried, it will take that form or that shape that it is, and that they form it, that they gave it while they are priming on it. So asphalting, from what I have come to understand, takes over 8 to 10 hours to begin to take shape, like to begin to get strong on the ground. that is after the asphalting is done, it takes up to 10 to 12 hours to start getting strong and firm on the ground. That's to start patching itself together with the stone base. Because before you do asphalting, you will do there will be a stone base before asphalting. So when you do a stone base on a road, you have to give the road about 4 days to a week. That is after the stone base is set. It takes up to a week before asphalting is done. And when asphalting is done, it takes up to 12 hours or more for the asphalt to become solid with the stone base. And this guy is just finished working asphalting on that very evening. Mind you, I listened to the contractor. They just finished asphalting on that very evening, and around the within 3 hours or so, rain came. And don't forget something, don't misplace something. This Ochanja Road, if you really know Ochanja Road very well, you will know that those people that live in those areas are very dirty people. Those people who do business on that road are very, very dirty people. What they do there is, when they finish doing their businesses, they pack all the dirt and pour inside the gutter, like inside the drainage. You see somebody selling Oba. Once the person finished selling his or her Oba, he will pack all the dirt from that Oba and then pour it into the drainage system. Someone selling orange will be done with his or her business on that day, sweep all the oranges, peels and everything, pour it into the drainage system. And it continues like that. How can such an environment or such society progress? No orientation, no public orientation, no reorientation, nothing. Nobody cares. And that is the reason why I always emphasize that the state government should reconsider closed drainage system. It is very, very important. If you go to the videos we do on umuahia, we see that the drainage system are closed and umuahia is very clean. If you go to the one we did in Enugu, most of the drainages there are closed. Onitsha needs serious attention, and nobody is to be blamed for what happened recently at Ochanja Road. Please, those blaming the state government should stop it. It's not right. It's not the fault of the state government. Neither is it the fault of the contractors. Neither is it the fault of those who live around there. What we need in Anambra State is reorientation of the people. There should be a total reorientation of the people. And apart from that, let the Anambra State government begin to reconsider closed drainage system. This will go a long way in helping the environment and the society to have sanity. We need sanity in our environments when it comes to cleanliness. And it has to start with closed drainage system and also reorientation of the people. These are the two vital points that should come in play before we start any other thing. Let there be a reorientation of the people, and please let the Anambra State government begin to consider closed drainage system in the major cities in Anambra State, especially Onitsha and Awka. It will really help us in a long. It will really help maintaining cleanliness in these cities, and also even in the lives of those living around those areas. It will even help reduce sickness, mosquitoes, all those stuffs. When the environment is clean, their mosquitoes will have no hiding place. Every time malaria, typhoid, all these things is because of deaths everywhere, and nobody cares. This is life. People's life are at stake at all time because of deaths. Please, let's before we judge some certain issues, we need to calm down and be on our right mind. Like, you really need to calm down and take it easy. Make sure you are on the right state of mind before you start diving into some critical issues like this. It's very, very important. This is my take. And please, if you have any other thing to add to this, please, you can do that on the comment section. Feel free to give out your thoughts and your recommendations and your ideas. This will help us grow and develop if we really want to develop. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share this post. Also, don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. Thank you. Remain blessed. See you on the next epic video coming your way. Bye for now.